Cause because of lipstick. Cause because Cause because of lipstick. Cause because of lipstick, our skin are.
Hey people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is my Khemka and I assume you all people are taking good care of your skin, drinking lots of water cause winter has just arrived. So in winter our skin starts to act differently, so we need to take extra care of that. In this video, I'll be sharing morning and night skincare routine that you should follow in this winter to take care of your skin. And this skincare routine works for me and I hope this works for you as well. And also in the end, I'll be sharing few tips to take care of your skin, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do it now and also hit the bell icon beside that so you will be notified whenever I'll upload new video. And now let's get into the video. So now I'll be sharing morning skincare routine with you. So the first thing that you should apply on your skin after waking up in the morning is cleanser. So use a mild cleanser to cleanse your face. Make sure it is mild cause that is good for your skin cause our skin is very sensitive. So don't go for a harsh cleanser, use a mild one. And I am using the Cetaphil cleanser recommended by my dermatologist. You can go for any cleanser that you have. Just remember it should be mild as I said and not harsh on your face. Also, as you can see, the texture of this cleanser is like a gel form and it is a non-foaming cleanser. I have been using this since past 3 years and it works for me properly. After cleansing your face with cleanser, wash your face with normal water and wipe your face gently. So the reason why I am choosing cleanser instead of face wash cause cleanser is good for our skin as compared to face wash. Face wash is harsh on our skin, so make sure you also go for cleanser instead of face wash. That is good. And yeah. So now the next thing you should apply on your face after cleansing your face is serum or toner. You can go for both as well, but personally I go for toner cause it works for me. And I use this toner which has aloe vera formula and apply this all over your face with your hands or maybe whatever you feel comfortable with and let it soak in your skin for 2 to 3 minutes cause it is wet. And I have been using this toner since past 4 to 5 months and to be honest my skin feels much better than before. So I just love to apply toner. So if you are someone who don't apply toner on your face or who have just never tried using toner, I would recommend you to try at least once cause this really makes a huge difference and your skin will start feeling much better. The next thing you should apply after this is moisturizer. So in winter, this is the most important step. You should never skip this step cause in winter our skin feels so dry. It is our duty to keep moisturizing your skin on a regular basis. And I use this Pond's moisturizer and this is so affordable. Also one of the best moisturizer I have came across. This is how it looks. And apply this all over your face gently. It comes with two texture, one is in the gel form and one is this in the cream form. I have got this cream form cause gel form is not good for your skin in winter, so make sure you don't buy that and go for this creamy one. Moisturizer helps to keep our skin hydrated. Also, I would recommend you to choose moisturizer which is non-sticky. This Pond's moisturizer is non-sticky. I have tried that Nivea moisturizer that is not good for our skin. Like it is good but it is damn sticky, so I would recommend you to go for this Pond's moisturizer. Now coming to the next step, that is sunscreen, and I know people usually skip this step cause they feel it is not at all important in winter to apply sunscreen cause the sun is not harsh as compared to summer. But you are wrong, sunscreen is equally important in winters as well. I use this Wow sunscreen with SPF 35. I have been using this since past 1 month and this works for me. You can choose any sunscreen that works for you and apply it all over your face after applying moisturizer. Make sure you protect your skin from sun in winters as well by including this step in your skincare routine. Now the last step that you should follow is apply lip balm on your lips, and if you are someone like me who apply lipstick on a regular basis, then you should definitely apply lip balm on a regular basis. Lipsticks makes our lips dry and rough, and it's our duty to moisturize our lips, so we use lip balm on that. I use this Arata lip balm on daily basis. As you can see, it is almost over and I just love this very much. This feels so cool and nourishes my lips properly. Also, as much as you take care of your skin and face, it is important to take care of your lips as well. Also, lip balm makes your lips more pink and shiny. Also, I would like to share one tip with you that you should follow in winters for your lips. Is you can also apply Vicks on your lips when it becomes dry. I personally do this in every winter and this works for me very well. Like, it also gives instant result and everybody has Vicks at their home. It is very affordable and it is very handy, so obviously you can go for it. So this was my morning skincare routine that I follow on a daily basis in winters, and the same skincare routine you should follow at night. Just you can add under eye cream and just exchange your toner with serum. I use serum at night and toner in morning. You can do that as well. And yeah, that's it for morning and night skincare routine. Now coming to the tips that I would like to share with you to take care of your skin in winter is the first one is drink lots of water. Like, we don't drink lots of water in winters, but drinking water is really very important for our body. So make sure you do that, and all people know importance of water and it helps our body to be hydrated. So make sure you drink lots of water. And the second thing that I want to share with you is to keep your showers really very short and sweet. Cause in winters people tend to bath with hot water and they prefer long bathing, which is not good for our body. So make sure you keep it short and sweet. And that's the two tips that I wanted to share with you. So that was it for my today's video. I really hope this skincare routine works for you as well. And if it does, please let me know in the comment section. Make sure you hit the like button and share it with your friends. This might help them. And yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram to see my pictures and daily updates. And see you in next video. Bye.